Hello friends, today we will discuss on the Digi Yatra, a new initiative by the Indian government to help the travelers traveling by airplane. We'll cover the installation steps and what are the benefits which I got from it. The installation is pretty easy. Just search for Digi Yatra in your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. This is the official app page which you can see and you can download it in your system. Once the installation is completed, let's sign up our profile. Just give your phone number for which you want to register and it will generate an OTP in your mobile. After validating the OTP, your account will be created. Pretty simple. This is the home page of Digiyatra app. Here you need to add your boarding pass details. So let's do it. First you need to scan the QR code of your boarding pass. In a few seconds of time, app will validate all your travel details and will show up your complete travel plan. Next step is to add your Aadhaar card details. So just click on the identity credential and give your Aadhaar phone number with this acknowledgement. And you can do it with the DigiLocker using your phone number, or you can use your Aadhaar number also. After validating the details from Digiyatra, your details will come up and the system will again validate your records. Validation is completed. You will get your travel details in the home page of Digi Yatra app. Once this screen comes up, just click on the share button. This is the terminal T3 of Delhi airport. This is the long queue of the people who are not using Digi Yatra app and they are in the security check. When we move toward the other side, people using Digi Yatra app, the line is very less, only 4 or 5 people are there, and currently it's in the gate number 2A of terminal T3, not in the other gates and also not in the other T1 and T2. So now let's see how it actually works. In the first check, you just need to open your Digiyatra app and show the scanner your QR code which is coming in your home page of Digiyatra app. So let's see how people are using it. Now this gentleman will show the QR code in his Digiyatra app in the machine. It will validate it. The system will do the face recognition and the gates will be open. This is the only place where you will show the mobile. In other places it will be only the face recognition system. Now coming toward the back checking area, this gentleman will not put his mobile. The machine will just scan his face and the gates will be open. Now when I will also come, I will not have to show any mobile. Automatically it will scan my face and gate will be open. I'll request the Indian government and all my viewers to increase the awareness of this app. Thank you. Jai Hind.